Hey, everyone. Imagine a world where humans never took the lead. No skyscrapers. No streets, just wild lands ruled by skunks. That's right, those bold, stinky bandits with their black and white fur and potent scent glands, prowling through forest, fields, and even our backyards, munching on insects, plants, and small prey. Sounds like a wild sci-fi sniff, right? Well, grab your noses, because we're diving into a what-if adventure. What if skunks evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Skunks are already the champs of the wild. Their black and white fur warns off trouble. Their potent scent glands pack a punch like nature's secret weapon, and their agility lets them dodge danger with style. They thrive anywhere: woods, suburbs, you name it, turning every habitat into their playground. But what if these funky marvels got a major upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're exploring how skunks could evolve into super smart rulers, build scent empires with a spray, and maybe even outsmart us humans at running the planet. From burrow dens to a culture of scent dances, this is gonna be one stinky, epic ride. So, stick with us as we dive into a world ruled by the ultimate skunk overlords. Let's get sniffing. How did these woodland gems go from backyard raiders to Earth's big shots? So, how did these woodland-loving skunks go from backyard raiders to Earth's big shots? Let's sniff into the science well. Science with a dash of sci-fi spray to figure out why these stinky champs could evolve into the ultimate rulers of the planet. Skunks are already the stars of the wild. Their black and white fur warns off trouble like a walking billboard. Their potent scent glands deliver a defense that clears the room, and their agility lets them dodge danger with style, thriving on insects, plants, and small prey across forest, fields, and urban spots. Their bold moves and nocturnal prowls make them nature's little scent masters, perfectly adapted to any terrain. To rule Earth, though, they need a serious brain boost and a whiff of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a wild makeover. Maybe forest and fields spread everywhere, or a cosmic quirk wipes out bigger predators, leading skunks as the survivors. Humans never sprayed past the first, and our ancestors got outstinkt. But skunks, they're thriving in their diverse playground, ready to take the stage. A lucky genetic mutation supercharges their brains, turning their cunning into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just spraying, they're planning, inventing, maybe even hosting the first scent wag fest. Let's talk about their bodies, because those are the real MVPs. That black and white fur could evolve for even finer displays or tool use, like weaving with twigs. Their potent scent glands might sharpen, letting them signal or defend with precision, while their agile forms grow versatile for climbing or burrowing, all while keeping that funky charm. Unlike humans who needed fire to cook, skunks could stay raw, ruling the land with minimal fuss. Their social vibe is the secret sauce. Skunks stick together in loose clans, sniffing and moving to connect with mates or rivals. In our story, they get chattier, evolving scents, tail signals, and vocalizations into a legit language. Like a stinky chatter network, their knack for solo and group tactics could spark cooperation, sharing burrow tricks or food hacks. Like humans' shared tales, over time, they'd form organized clans, linking dens with scent-crafted paths. Why skunks? They've got the scent, the speed, and the smarts to seize their moment. A vast, varied Earth would be their stage, and they'd spray right into the starring role. Next up, we'll explore what their stinky empire looks like. Think burrow dens, scent dances, and a whole lot of skunk flair. Stay tuned, this skunk takeover is just getting funky. We've just sniffed into how skunks could evolve into Earth's wildest masterminds, with supercharged brains, black and white fur, and a knack for ruling the land in their diverse playground. But what happens when these stinky sprinters start building their own empire? Hang on to your noses, because we're spraying into the funky, vibrant world of a skunk-run planet. Spoiler, it's like an underground party with extra scents, flips, and skunk flair. Picture a skunk city sprawling across the woodlands, where burrow dens and reinforced tunnels gleam under the moonlight, linked by scent-crafted paths and pheromone-lit clearings. This isn't some concrete jungle, oh no. The hubs are patched together with twigs, leaves, and cozy burrows, with tunnels tucked near trees for young kids to rest. Skunks dart across platforms, their keen sense of scanning as they haul food or signal, some practicing leaps, others spraying to show off. It's a bustling, wild metropolis that's equal parts majestic and lively, like a sci-fi scent kingdom under the stars. Let's talk society, because these skunks keep it clanning yet crafty. They're naturally social in loose clans, led by the boldest skunks with the sharpest scents. Decisions happen in burrows during scent councils where skunks sway and spray, their black and white tails waving like clan commanders in a lively debate. It's all about unity, no chaos, just synchronized moves, with maybe a tail salute to seal a good plan. Their clan spirit means every skunk has a role, from foraging, patrols to guarding the best dens. Their tech is pure woodland ingenuity. Forget steel factory skunks craft tools from twigs, leaves, and scent, like nets for catching prey or scoops for gathering water with paw barriers. Their agile bodies help them build burrows with reinforced tunnels, keeping their homes snug. In the wild, picture a skunk engineer. It's for gleaming, tweaking a twig irrigation system to nourish their clan gardens. They harness the moon's glow and forest breezes for energy, keeping their underground hubs thriving without harming the land. It's ecotech so clever, it makes our cities look like barren yards. Culture. These skunks are the artists of the wild. Their art is all about scents. Think scent pattern ground designs or spray dances that ripple through the air. Festivals are a spray, with skunks performing synchronized leaps on leaf stages. They're black and white for catching the moonlight like a living show. Picture a twilight ritual where clans gather, spraying in harmony as they celebrate a big find. Their bodies swaying like a rhythmic chant. Their language evolved from scents, tail signals, and vocalizations is like a funky symphony, saying everything from food here to time to spray. It's a culture of stinky pride, where every skunk feels part of a sniffing family, bonded by their love of the clan. As they spread across Earth's varied landscapes, their cities connect through scent-crafted paths and pheromone-lit trails, like a sniffing network linking forest hubs to urban dens. It's a world of flair, rhythm, and skunk charm, built on the skunk's knack for thriving anywhere. But can they keep this stinky empire spraying? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they face, from predators to their own food needs. Stay with us, the skunk saga is about to get wilder than a forest storm. We've just sprayed into the funky, vibrant world of skunk civilization, burrow dens, scent dance festivals, and tech that's all about woodland swagger. But ruling Earth isn't all smooth leaps, even for these black and white, scent-loving champs. So, what challenges could dampen the spray of their stinky empire? Let's dive into the wild. Tail-twisting obstacles our skunk pals might face to keep their funky utopia thriving. First off, the environment is a tricky breeze to navigate. Skunks are the kings of the land, thriving with their potent scent glands and agility across forest, fields, and urban spots. But Earth's not one big burrow. Try ruling sandy deserts, icy tundras, or flood-soaked plains with no cover to rest in. Expanding beyond their diverse domain means adapting to new climates, but floods, fires, or storms could collapse their tunnels. Picture a clan racing to reinforce a twig wall as water rushes around, their sprays echoing through the chaos. They'd need to get super crafty, maybe rigging leaf barriers or pheromone-lit trails to scout new den spots to keep their hubs standing. Then there's the predator problem. Skunks are sturdy up to 10 pounds, but evolved owls or human remnants could see them as a tasty challenge, fur or not. Imagine a tense spray-off, a squad of skunks wielding scent-dipped paws, sniffing fiercely as they fend off an owl ambush in a shadowy grove. Their black and white forms flashing with power. Their agility and scent could shine, maybe setting up spray traps to outmaneuver foes. But a determined predator could overwhelm even the boldest sprayer. Venturing into wilder lands might bring nastier threats, like evolved foxes targeting their kits. Biology's another hurdle. Skunks are energy machines, burning calories with every dart and eating a steady diet of insects, plants, and small prey to fuel their clans. Feeding a sprawling empire is tough, and overeating could strip their foraging grounds bare, like humans overfish their seas. Their reproduction 4 to 6 kids per litter helps, but raising a big population takes time and safe burrows. Picture a skunk leader, its tail twitching, stressing over his shrinking food stash while kids sniff nearby. Even with sharper brains, balancing food and growth would be a spraying puzzle, requiring clever foraging routes or leaf-stored snacks to keep clans thriving. Can they outsniff these challenges? Their scent and smarts say they've got a shot, but it's a wild clan dash. Next, we'll compare their stinky world to ours and ask, could these funky champs outpace humans at running Earth? Stay with us, this skunk saga's getting wilder than a forest storm. We've just sniffed through the wild challenges our skunk champs would face: stormy terrains, sneaky predators, and their spraying ways threatening their burrow empire. But how does their stinky, scented world stack up against human civilization? Could these funky sprinters really outpace us at running Earth? Let's wrap up this skunk saga with a deep dive into what their reign teaches us, plus a big, tail-wagging call to action to keep the adventure sniffing. Let's break it down. Humans built incredible feat space stations orbiting the stars, towering cities, apps for ordering snacks at midnight, but we also scarred the planet with pollution, deforestation, and over-harvested lands. Skunks, though, their woodland settlements, Crafted from twigs and glowing with pheromone-lit burrows, are pure scent magic, thriving on insects, plants, and small prey without leaving a trace of waste. Their clan spirit could dodge our global messes, settling disputes with scent councils or a sharp spray, not wars. Picture a skunk leader, its keen nose glinting like a woodland beacon, calming a turf spat with a rhythmic tail flick. That's leadership with a whiff. But here's the catch: their clan lifestyle ties them down. Humans conquered deserts, icy poles, and vast seas with diverse tech and teamwork, while skunks might stay bound to forest and fields, missing a worldwide empire. Their twig and leaf tech is ingenious, but might not match our leaps, like inventing rockets or streaming shows. Still, their world is a total game changer. Skunks' black and white fur and potent scent glands show us how to thrive in harmony with nature, turning wild lands into kingdoms without breaking a twig. Their diet, snacking on whatever's around like a crafty feast, teaches us to live lightly, using what's available without draining the land. Unlike us, they'd probably never clog their territories with plastic or overgraze their prey to extinction. Their social yet independent vibe is a masterclass in balance. Each skunk guards its space, but sprays together when it counts, like a clan that knows when to sniff and when to rest. Their terrain resilience, darting through storms with a scented glow, inspires us to roll with setbacks and keep the spirit flowing. Like a skunk landing a perfect leap after a windy night, it's a wake-up call to cherish our own wild spaces with a bit more of their funky wisdom, protecting the forest and fields they call home, and ensuring those rugged hubs stay open for their sprays and our dreams. So, what's the big takeaway? The skunk utopia isn't just a sniffing thought experiment, it's a mirror for us. These woodland superstars already rule with flair. Imagine what they do with a brain boost. Saving their real-world habitats means a healthier planet for everyone, keeping those wild lands alive for their darts and our adventures. Their reign could remind us to tread lightly, respect nature's rhythm, and maybe even find pride in the boldest, most stinky corners of life. Could they outspray humans at running Earth? Their adaptability and clan strength say they might just take the lead, and that's worth a big, wild cheer. That's a wrap on our skunk saga. What do you think? Would their twig-woven world outshine our concrete chaos? Could their spraying genius save the planet? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. We're excited to hear your sniffs. If you love this funky, leap-packed adventure, smash that like button to show some love. It keeps our channel spraying. Share this video with your crew who'd geek out over a skunk-ruled world. And hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next epic what if. Check out our other videos on alien empires, robot takeovers, or whatever crazy scenario we dream up next. From woodland tales to cosmic quest, we've got it all. Thanks for sniffing with us. You make these adventures awesome. Keep spraying, stay stinky, and we'll see you in the next video.